Today, we are making a loaded barbecue chicken pizza. Grown-ups love it. The kids, let's not even talk about them. They love pizza. And today, I'm going to show you guys how to make it with just a few easy steps. Before we begin, if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. You gotta hit the subscribe so you can join the family. Also, give this video a big thumbs up for me if you enjoy it, and let's dive in. All right, guys, to begin, we gotta preheat the oven on 400 degrees. So let's do that right now. Perfect. Now we're going to season the chicken, okay? I'm using 3 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now you can use chicken breast, but I prefer chicken thigh for this recipe. More juicy, tastes better, so let's do it. I'm going to remove some of the fat of the chicken, as you can see. Just remove whatever you can. You don't want greasy chicken fat over your pizza. We're going to dice up our chicken just like that. There's nothing to it, just little bite-sized pieces, just like so. We have the chicken nice and diced up. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on there just to help the seasoning stick. These are the seasoning we'll be using today: onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, creole seasoning, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, and some parsley. I am going to generously, like to mix it before I pour it on here, generously just sprinkle that seasoning on the chicken. Mix it up just like this. Now I have the chicken nice and seasoned. I'm going to set it aside for now because we're going to be working on our bacon. I'm adding the bacon to a cold pan because you don't want this to be popping and sizzling all over. And then we can turn on the stove because we don't want to burn ourselves. I think that's enough bacon. We just want the bacon flavor. While the bacon is cooking, I'm going to be shredding my cheese. I'm using 2 8-ounces of mozzarella cheese. We're using 2 8-ounces of mozzarella cheese. I like to shred my own cheese, especially when making pizza. It'll melt better. You're gonna have a better cheese pool, so that's why I'm shredding it myself. We're going to flip the bacon over. It's a little sticky because this is maple bacon, barbecue, sweet, why not? So we're just gonna flip them over just like so. Careful so it doesn't pop on your face, because this can happen. Or you can just pop these in the air fryer. It's up to you. Put it in the oven, okay? It doesn't really matter. This is labor right there. Shredding your own cheese. I need one of those cheese shredder gadget, okay? I need one of those. I mean, I don't really shred my cheese like that, but for this recipe, we need it. All right, guys, my cheese is done. My bacon is ready. So let's take the bacon out. You want the bacon to be nice and crispy, honey. So I'm going to place the bacon right here on this plate. Make sure you have a napkin to catch all that grease for you. Perfect. We're going to set that aside. I have my cast iron on medium-high heat. We're going to drizzle a little bit of oil, just slightly, and add your chicken in, just like this. Okay, perfect. Now the chicken is not going to take long to cook because they're diced up. So I'm going to cook them for about 2 minutes to 3 minutes per side. Flip them over here and there until they're nice and golden brown. While the chicken's cooking, we're going to dice up our bacon. Okay, we're trying to multitask a little bit here because this is actually dinner for the kids, and just gonna dice it up. Now, we're not going to chop this too small, just like this, something like that. Perfect. You just want to dice it enough, but not too much, because you do want the bacon bits small, like something like this. Perfect. I'm gonna dice up my onion. I'm using red onion for this recipe. It's so sweet. It tastes really good with barbecue sauce. Just dice it just like this. This is going on top as the topping for our pizza. Perfect. Chicken is smelling absolutely delicious right now. Just going to flip them over. Look at that. So good. It smells so good. I can smell the thyme, the oregano from the Italian seasoning. I can smell all of that. It smells too good, okay? Tell me this chicken is not seasoned. It's not seasoned. Take a quick look, quick look. It looks so good. Okay, we're going to set that aside for now. All right, guys, we have everything prepped and ready so we can assemble our pizza. I have a pizza dough here. It's pre-made and pre-rolled. Yes, we are using pre-made because we're working smarter, not harder, especially when we have hungry kids, okay? So you can find this at Publix, by the way, by the bakery section. Maybe I need some flour in my hands, I'm not sure. I forgot to mention you have to add a little bit of oil to your pizza pan. Also, you can add some flour to it, lightly flour it. Now I'm going to add my pizza dough right in the middle, just like this. Now all I have to do is just spread it out, just like this. It's already pre-made for you. Once you have your dough on your pizza pan just like this, you're going to form the little crust, the edges. This, once it's done baking, I'm going to add some garlic butter on top. It's gonna be so delicious. Time to add your sauce. I'm using this Blue Hog barbecue sauce, and we're just gonna spread it all over. Now we're going to add in the cheese just like this. Oh, it's looking good already, okay? I'm getting the vision. Now we're going to add in our chicken. Chicken all over. This is a chicken pizza, so we need lots and lots of chicken on here. Now we're going to add in the bacon, just like that. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so yummy. I know the kids going to love this for dinner. The best dinner ever. Now I'm going to add in my red onion. Perfect. Now let's add a little bit more cheese on top. Not too much. That right there looks so freaking good, and it's not even done yet. So let's put it in the oven for about 18 to 25 minutes. All right. All right, guys, our pizza is finally ready and it looks so good. I'm gonna add some garlic butter on the crust. This is garlic powder, butter, and some fresh parsley on the edges. Ooh, it's gonna be so yummy. So yummy. Just brush that off just like so. And there you have it. Let me just sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley to garnish very lightly. And there you have it, your loaded barbecue chicken pizza. So yum yum. Time to cut a pizza, y'all. It looks so good, and it's time for me to dive in. So let's do it. that way. This pizza's loaded. You can see all the chicken on top. Oof. Let's see. Oh, yes. Look at that. That looks so good. Let me give it a try. My mouth is watering. I am literally blushing. All right, let's do it. All the flavors from the bacon, the chicken, that barbecue sauce. Delicious. Spectacular. Give me 14 of them. When I tell you this pizza right here is a 10 out of 10, just trust and believe me. You better run and go make these for the kids because they're going to love this. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. If you're going to try it, give it a thumbs up for me. Subscribe, like this video. I said that already. Comment. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.